Good morning, all. My name is Diganta. I work as a senior developer for Legal Aid New South Wales. In the hackathon, I did an app for Legal Aid. Um, Before I start the app, I did a bit of design work. I call my app Legal Aid New South Wales. My app is the best app for using Legal Aid New South Wales services. I create some scenarios, I create some features, and my app is hierarchy structure and followed all the guidelines which basically Chris and Shane suggested. And I'm also not a designer. I rate myself 1, so out of 5 for my design skills. So I've used only one color other than white for this app. Let me show you some of the sketches I did initially. So this is one of the sketch I drew up in a paper. So this is basically hub section detail model. I got a bit of all the services categorized here. And in future, if we have more, we can put more categories. When you click on it, it goes to a section, and I don't have enough details at this point. There is another sketch. I did the Friday course with Chris Barnard from Microsoft, and he helped me out with few sketches here. So he basically suggested that do hub section detail. He also suggested do a master detail sort of, so you get a list of all the details. You click on it, it shows up here. You possibly could have all the icons on the top which pops up. I had a chat with Shane Morris, and he drew this diagram for me, which made perfect sense to me at that point, but I can't recall now what it is. But thanks for your help anyway. So let's jump into the code. So this is the Windows 8 app, and in the project I got also a web API, web service, which is exposing the data, which is sitting on this machine. So I'm basically exposing this table, which got all this data, which we maintain in Legal Aid. I got this value controller, which is and using entity framework to spit out JSON. And so let me show you. So it spit out this JSON. No, I don't want to upgrade. So if you look at it, so what I'm showing in my app is the service name and some of these details. So let's hop into the app. So in the app, I got this data service, which basically going and reading that URL. And so if I restart this app, so it comes here, F10, and you'll be able to see what you saw here in what I showed you in the fiddler. So that's crime, Bankstown, local code. So go ahead. So this is basically the app. So what I would do is I would stop the debugger, and I'd go to. So this is a wide logo, and I can make it smaller, make it larger. Click on it. It shows you these 4 sections. First one is find advice services. Second is find a panel lawyer. The third is order publications, mean test. These are some of the services we provide through our website, but it'll be nice to have an app where you can have the similar sort of experience. So when you click on it, it pulls up all those, talks to that, pulls out all the JSON and lists it here. So we can do a search using town, postcode, suburb, and if you click on it, it'll just show you on the right hand side on the map, and you can just clear it. Go back, so find a panel lawyer. So if you click on that, it'll give you a bit of information, and it's loading. Obviously this is not done in the app, it's using an iframe. I possibly couldn't have done this in one day. So this is an iframe which is loading this page from our website. So if you want to do a search, you can do a nice search. Go here, you can do all sort of things. For publications, this basically allows you to order free publications, legal aid publications for our customers. So you go select something, enter, tab, sorry, place the order, and you can place an order. So going back to the last one, I got main test. So basically main test indicator is a guide to whether you may financially eligible for legal aid in those matters where Legal Aid New South Wales has a main test. So you can just submit the form. Nothing these, but they are just iframes. What else I want to show? Yeah, I think that's about it. That's my app, and good luck to rest of all the contestants. Thank you very much for letting me show this video. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.